Yes, for a goal. Jude Bellingham has equalized for England there. Spike cycle kick against Slovakia there. Yes, the game will be going to the extra time there. This is stunning piece of goal from the Real Madrid star there. He's the star generation talent there. What a piece of goal this is from him. So well done. So stay tuned for the series updates from man and what a goal, what a stunning piece of goal. This one for England. Absolutely wonderful piece of stuff. So that's it. Stay tuned for the series update. Have a wonderful day. Okay. Yes, so what a goal. This is for Slovakia there. They have taken the lead there against England. Ivan Svankes has scored the goal there. Wonderful game this for them. So stay tuned for the status updates from mine, and there is a stunning piece of goal from it. And what a start, what a key for Slovakia there in the end. Absolutely wonderful to see them performing like that. So that's it. Wonderful day. Take care, and I'll be giving you lots of updates there in the end, as usual there in the end. That's it. Have a wonderful day.